Ruben was really good with information he gave us about how to manage the business. Even if it's a passion, it's a business. If you do things right, you will be making money.
The marketing aspect of it and, being knowledgeable to educating your customer. My name is Nicholas Cardona. I'm here from North Carolina. I wanted to do this class for my business that I'm working on. This is the next step to get to that level that I want to get to.
My name is Tyler Scruggs. I'm from Southwest Florida, and I'm here to get officially certified and be more comfortable actually working for myself and by myself, and I have to second guess what I'm doing.
My name is Pablo Herrera. I was born in Colombia, Bogota, Colombia. I'm living right now in Miami with my family, and I came here to learn.
I've always been into cars, really since I was a kid, so I knew growing up I was going to be, I guess, kind of doing what I'm doing now.
Before doing auto detailing, I was just working at a resort as a lifeguard and kind of detailing my own vehicle, led into wanting to learn how to do it and not have to guess, am I doing it right or am I going to mess something up?
I've been working in cars all my life. I was in the car industry in Colombia for many years. I was in sales. Mercedes-Benz was my last job.
I thought I knew a lot, but the first day showed me that I didn't, and now it's gonna help me go further in my business.
I've always been in sales, but Ruben was really good with information he gave us about how to manage the business. So that's what I liked the most.
The marketing aspect of it and, being knowledgeable to tell them and educating your customer on what they're getting and what they need.
Well, I think that doing the hands-on training gives you step-by-step what to do. And honestly, I didn't know that you can have like step-by-step and also like a product for that step.
Like on the bottle, everything's pretty straightforward and it's not confusing like a bunch of other products with a bunch of different names. And
I came here for the paint correction and ceramic coating to kind of notch in my skills and not be afraid of doing that by myself or need a second opinion. So it's like pretty systematic, so I know what to do first and being able to look at a car, if it's dark, if it's light, what I think it would need, or if I need to go over something again.
I've never used ceramic coating or seen it be applied. I mean, now I know all the steps. I didn't know that before. I didn't know really where to start, so I never did it. But now I feel confident to do it on my own.
Explaining like the benefits of it or why they would want to get a ceramic coating versus just a paint correction to actually protect it for the 5 years or more.
Even if it's a passion, it's a business. So you have to make money out of it. And if you do things right, you will be making money. The upsells, the cross-sells. I think this group, it was really nice guys. I think they came for the same reason.
Yeah, it definitely helped having a smaller team, being able to see what their experiences were, if they were new or had previous experience, and comparing it and just doing the venture with other people. Not too big, not too small, so.
Definitely made me confident in what I'm gonna be doing with, knowing everything I know now. Sometimes they would hear stuff I didn't hear, so I'd ask, and they'd let me know what I missed or what I didn't hear. For my business, now I'm gonna be offering paint correction and ceramic coating. Just really getting more into that as far as the detailing aspect. Eventually I want to have my own, business offering tint, wrap. I definitely have to come back for the wrap class and the tint.
So I definitely want to go back and not focus on car washing and detailing, but taking those customers and transferring them over to doing ceramic coating and paint protection and explain why it looks like this and kind of go from there.
I already have a skid mount. I bought it before I came here. So I'm gonna go turn it on because I didn't want to turn it on until I really came here. I'm gonna practice a little, but I'm sure that with the information I got here, I'll do it fine. And my name is Pablo Herrera. My company's name is Moby Protection, and If you want to be serious in the business, you have to do something like this.
My name is Tyler Scruggs. I'm from Southwest Florida. My business name is Magic Hands Detailing, and I'd suggest taking this class if you have experience or not having experience.
My name is Nicholas Cardona from out of North Carolina. My business name is Cardona Detailing, but I'll probably be switching it up now. Definitely, if you're thinking about this class, you won't regret the decision. It's definitely the best investment for your business.
Hey, what is up, Right Lookers? As you see in front of us, we have the car that was used in our auto detailing class today. It's a 2020 or 2021 Tesla Model 3. And as you see, it's a little bit different. There's some subtle differences compared to the past Teslas we had. You see right here, it's got the black wheels. It's got that murdered look going on. And you know, the newer ones have this black trim. So this is really, you know, although it's just subtle changes to what we're used to seeing, it really makes a difference. And on top of the difference, you already see the gloss that's coming off of this thing. Man, look at that. This is black paint, paint corrected, ceramic coating. As you see, that shot right there that we're known for, that reflection of our shop right there. This was all done by our students in our auto detailing, paint correction, and ceramic coating certification class. You know, they come out here, they travel, some of them are from the East Coast, some are from the Midwest, from all over the place, and they come here to learn the specialty that is auto detailing and, you know, becoming auto reconditioning specialist. So, you know, not only do they do the exterior, look at that quarter panel. Look at that quarter panel, everybody. You see there, look at my pink beanie. You can see the reflection like a mirror, man. You know, not only do they do the paint correction and ceramic coating, they do the interior. And like I always say, it's so clean, you can smell it. Look at that. That's showroom ready. This is like what you would take to the, you know, auto shows and demonstrate what the new product is, right? You know, ceramic coated with R1 Pro. It's gonna last this car, you know, 7 years with maintenance. And you see, look at this. Look at the interior. Look at the dashboard. Look at the steering wheel. Look at the chairs. Look at the door cards. Immaculate. All done up by our students. You know, it's from front to back. You know, the back seats. Look at this. All done up nicely by our students. You know, a lot of them come here with little to no experience, and sometimes we do. This time around, we did have a good amount of students that had a prior experience, but ultimately they came here to expand and you know, really grow their knowledge on how they're gonna attack the industry as a, you know, business specialist or a reconditioning specialist in the industry. It's gonna make them different from their competitors. It's gonna make them stand out. And that's what we teach here, is being able to stand out in an oversaturated industry. And here, the results speak for themselves. So if you're looking to go into our classes, you know, expand your knowledge in this industry, we're here for you. We are gonna give you the information you need, not only the hands-on training, but all the business insights that's gonna make you so much different than all the competitors out there. So with that being said, we'll just do a quick look at that hood. Look at the hood right there. So one more little swoop for you to see. But you know, with that being said, thank you all for stopping by. We hope to see you all in the next one. And yeah, take care.